So here I'll demonstrate some of the recording capability. My program can monitor all the key presses that you make when you're running the program and record them to a disk file that you can then use to play back. So I'll record just a short little file here. Start up the program, press connect to connect to the TIU, press setup. On the setup screen, you press start recording. At this point, it will record our key presses. We'll start up the engine. Make it run forward for a little bit. Stop it. Switch into reverse and we'll run backwards for a little bit. And we'll stop it, shut down, and back on the setup screen, we'll press stop recording. It lets us save the file. Call it file 2. Press save. So once it's been saved now, we can then just request the program to play it back. Press start playback. Pick the file that we want to play back, which is file 2.rtc. Open the file and it automatically plays back. So it displays a little window there showing the progress of the playback, including the total time of the playback and how many steps have been played back so far. That's it. When the playback is complete, you get the little message. You can press OK, disconnect from the TIU, and exit from the program.